Hello, Rudransh.
Hello, Mama.
Can you tell me the opposite words?
Yes.
Okay, hot,
Cold.
tall,
Short.
big,
Small.
thick.
Thin.
Good. Near.
Far.
Okay. Black.
White.
Go. Come.
Come.
Long.
Short.
Heavy.
Light.
Okay. Now rich.
Poor.
Okay. Day.
Night.
Dirty.
Clean.
Good. Happy.
Smiley.
No. Happy. Sad.
Okay.
Up.
Down.
On.
Off.
Open.
Short.
Open. Close.
Close.
Even.
Odd.
Boy.
So. Girl.
Good. Less.
More.
And left.
Right.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.